Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a Skrill business account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the add, transfer, and exchange. In the bottom, we have 5 tabs, which are the home, the card tab, crypto, sports, and the rewards tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a Skrill business account. So first of all, go to the Skrill website and click on the business section. Then click on the sign up to start your application. Provide your primary email address to begin the registration process. You'll be directed to the business registration page. Fill in your business details, ownership information, and contact information. Make sure to include a link to your website and any necessary documents, such as proof of business registration, proof of addresses, and identification for each business owner. Once you filled out the form and uploaded the required documents, submit your application. Skrill will review your application and may contact you if additional documents are needed. Once approved, you will receive a unique merchant ID. With your Skrill business account, you can start accepting payments online, integrate with e-commerce platforms, and offer various payment methods to your customers. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.